Hello everybody, my name is Maxim. I'm from Russia, from Moscow. I have been to studying in this university for 2 years, and I chose to study in this class because first of all I really like Brother Robertson. He's a great teacher. I took a class CAT 230 from him, and I really liked it. And the second reason is that I think it's a good knowledge, good like pretty much art to know how the back end of the web pages work. I've always wanted to connect, like to operate a database and a website, and I always wanted to host a server and build a database on it and a website. So I kind of want to learn to understand how it works. It's not a required class for me. Well, I'm looking at some cheat sheet. So my major is CIT, and my class is on campus Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10:15 to 11:15. So my long-term goal is about web development. I just want to learn it for myself, and if I'm gonna get good at it, I will do something with it. And if not good at it, probably will do something else. But I definitely want to know how it all works and build something for myself and maybe for others. And if I will be good at it, I will probably make a business or something. Something unique about me. So, unique about me. I'm a convert, and I was baptized when I was 18. I like sports. It's really hard to come up with something unique. But I do breakdancing. I like dances, so I enjoy that. I think it's pretty unique. My greatest strength that I will bring into class. So my greatest strength is I like to think. So I will evaluate a problem, and I like to help other people. So the greatest strength I will bring into class is that I'm willing to help others, and I will try to understand the problem very well. So that's the strength. And perceived weakness that I can think of that I will need help with in class is, well, I'm very blunt, and if I see, like, yeah, that's about it. And I say some stupid jokes sometimes. They're appropriate, but maybe offensive and stupid. So please correct me on that if you want. But I'm looking forward on working with some of you guys together in the team. We'll make a great team, and we'll pass this class. There we go.